Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you what needs to be done urgently in June with your garlic so that the garlic bulb grows to its maximum size, and also at the end of the video, I will answer why the garlic leaves are turning yellow now, and what to do about it. I live in the Kharkiv region. Since the beginning of June, garlic begins to shoot with seeds, which means that if you skip the moment and do not remove it, then garlic completely stops growing. The garlic plant begins to give all its strength and nutrition in order to lay offspring. Namely, so that the seeds ripen on this shoot. It turns out that the garlic bulb will stop growing, and will be in the size in which it is now. But if you cut it off, then again the garlic bulb will continue to grow and increase in size to the maximum varietal. But when cutting garlic shoots, you need to be careful not to harm the plant, namely, you need to take an ordinary pruner, or a special garden scissors. Above the topmost leaf, cut off the garlic shoot, leaving a small stump. In no case do not pull out this escape. Since if you make a strong effort, you can pull it out, but then there is a void in the garlic stalk, pests get in there and begin to destroy garlic from the inside. Diseases and moisture can also get in. Therefore, he gets sick and then garlic bulbs. They will simply disappear and you will be completely left without a crop. Therefore, remove the garlic shoot correctly, and it is better to prune the garlic shoots in the morning, and in hot weather, so that the cut dries quickly until the evening. Then I'll give you one more piece of advice. Leave at least 1 or 3 shoots on your entire garlic plantation. Leave them on underdeveloped plants, which have a thin stalk of garlic. Since they will no longer grow a large bulb, but as a signal plant for harvesting, this garlic is perfect. Since garlic harvesting also cannot be delayed, if you remove garlic very early, then you will not receive its harvest. And it will be poorly preserved in winter. If it is removed very late, it will begin to rot, and it will not be preserved for as long. But when the shoot with seeds straightens up, and the seed chambers will open. This means that the garlic is already completely ready for harvesting. And that's why I always leave a couple of such signals on my garlic. Well, at the end of the video, as promised, I will tell you why garlic leaves turn yellow in June. There are 3 reasons for this that should be eliminated. The first, garlic may start to turn yellow due to lack of moisture. A strong heat has come, he lacks moisture, so the tips turn yellow. It can also be the exact opposite. If it rains heavily for a week or more, there is a lot of moisture. Garlic cannot properly absorb nutrition, and therefore the tips of its leaves turn yellow, but they can also turn yellow due to lack of nutrition. So tonight, after pruning garlic, so that the wound dries up in a day, I will carry out fertilizing. And tomorrow you will find out about it in my next video. Therefore, be sure to subscribe to my channel, do not miss the release of new videos. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. And see you in the new video.